Good morning and welcome to the Moving Market Podcast Monday Recap. Last week you saw the Nasdaq hit a new record high. There's concern on the concentration within the market. So the question, in my mind is a bubble building. Are we slowly entering bubble territory with the biggest names? In a week like last, where you see this movement, in many cases up 3 to 5% or more in some of these stocks without a lot of news, and then the rest of the market kind of left behind. These are signs to look for ahead. Looking ahead to this week, you have the Fed out this week. Most likely right now a 98% probability to cut interest rates 0.25% this week. And again, it's all about the commentary, what the Fed sees after this meeting. Inflation remains sticky. Overall, the Fed remains more focused on the labor market for the time being, and we'll have to see as they look into 2025 if there's any policy changes as well. This week, you'll have some retail sales to see how the consumer is the holiday season, and looking ahead to next year, consumer spending remains very resilient overall. But again, looking at the markets, as you drift higher into year end, question when does the ultimate rotation start to take hold? And looking into January, you might start to see some profit taking, but between now and the end of the year, the markets look to drift higher overall. Thank you, and we'll touch base next week.